I've got so much cleanup and organizing to do in here. It is a mess, which is not good and not safe. But I am working on, finally, the first of three 300 amp hour 48 volt lithium iron phosphate batteries. So I bought the raw cells, the box and everything through Jenny Woo, and I'm finally getting the first one put together. I had precharged most of the cells. They've been sitting for about a couple of months, and they were pretty close. The half of them that were the lowest, I put them together, charged them back up to 3.51 per cell before I put them in here. But I've got it mocked up. I've actually lost one of the bolts down in there, so I'll need to go get one of those little claw grabber things that I can reach down in there and hopefully get that bolt out, or that nut out, because I need it and I don't want it in there loose, rattling. I need to find my insulated torque wrench so that I can torque all these bolts down correctly and fully before I go on to the next steps. There are some PCBs that go on those, and then the electronics in the front. Now this one battery, and I'm building it where I'm going to use it because it's going to be almost impossible to move later, at least with one person. But 300 amp hours, to give you an idea, that is equivalent to 3 of these batteries. So I've got 6 of these in a rack, and one of these batteries I'm building will be equal to 3 of those. 2 of them will be equal to that whole stack, and I doubt I'll get all 3 of them in here, but that'll give me quite a bit of battery storage. And the ones in the rack that I just showed you could put out about 100 amps each. This one's supposed to be able to put out 200 amps. I'm not drawing anywhere near that right now. I'm only using a 300 or 3000 watt inverter, so I mean it's almost like trickle charging, pulling out, just trickling out of it. But over the next 2 or 3 weeks, hopefully I can get this one completely built and put in line. I might be able to do a second one. I've got 2 more slots on my Lynx distributor, yeah, just a project I've been meaning to do for quite a while.